there, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm standing in front of my beloved exposed brick wall, which is getting painted right now to make a real feature out of it. And what's really important when you're doing an exposed brick wall is to make sure you're choosing the right bricks, and not all bricks are the same. You'll see that I've chosen these special bricks. They're PGH bricks that are dry pressed. So bricks aren't bricks. They're a smoother finish, they're a tighter finish, not as porous. I think they're going to come up great in the feature wall.